Hello everyone and welcome to Extra Marks Foundation YouTube channel. My name is Saurabh Paul and in this particular lecture, we are going to talk about one of the interesting topics that is related to real numbers, and in this we are going to talk about representation of real numbers on the number line. Now when it comes to that, you know that real numbers is actually made up of irrational and rational numbers both. So when I talk about representing all of them, there are certain different aspects into it. So what we are going to do, we are going to talk about all of them but in separate videos. So for this particular section, we will be starting by understanding the representation of real numbers on number line. Moving along, you will find that we will also understand locating decimal form of rational numbers on the number line. Moving on to the next one, that will be coming to irrational numbers, how we represent them. And finally, when it comes to the fourth part, that is geometrical way of representing root n, which is basically nothing but representing irrational numbers on the number line. So we are going to have separate small videos for all of them. Let's just quickly start and see what is our first topic for the day. So like I said, we are going to understand or we are going to talk about the representation of rational numbers this time on the number line. So jaldi se dekhte hain. Let's start with the very first concept. So while understanding this concept, what I have done, I have taken few questions which would actually help us understand this concept really well. Right, so start karte hain. We have a question in front of us, that is the representation of 3 by 4 on the number line. So first things first, हमें क्या किस चीज की requirement होगी? Number line की, right? So there we have, there is our number line. But before starting, कुछ ऐसे points हैं that we must need to talk about, right? Which is, if I talk about this rational number 3 by 4, I need to have an idea कि जो 3 by 4 है वो actually किन दो integers के बीच में आता है? Can anybody tell me? Right? So as I can see here, the denominator that we have is actually greater than our numerator. Right? I hope everybody agrees with it. Right? So the denominator is greater than our numerator. That means this particular rational number lies between 0 and 1. ये जो रेशनल नंबर है ये 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई करेगा, राइट? सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, वी हैव आइडेंटिफाइड किन दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में ये पॉइंट होगा. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड सम पॉइंट्स ऑन द नंबर लाइन 0 1 -1 2 एंड -2. अब मुझे बहुत क्लियरली पता है दैट दिस पॉइंट विल लाई बिटवीन 0 एंड 1, राइट? ये पॉइंट होगा 0 और 1 के बीच में, बट वेयर एक्चुअली, कहां पर, दैट आई डोंट नो. सो फॉर दैट आवर फोकस विल बी on the denominator. Our focus will be on the denominator. Our denominator will decide that between 0 and 1 मुझे actually कितने parts का formation करना है, right? So what you can see that the denominator is 4, which means between 0 and 1 there has to be 4 parts. Now how these 4 parts will be created, let's just quickly focus on the screen and see. So what I am doing, I have divided the section between 0 and 1 into 4 parts, right? So this is part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Now what is the numerator? Can you quickly check what is the numerator? The numerator is 3. That is absolutely correct. The numerator here is 3, which means first part, second part and third part पे जाके मुझे ये number का representation मिलेगा. So the number is 3 by 4. So this is the first part, second part, third part, right? It is the third part out of the 4 total parts. So this is where I will find my 3 by 4 on the number line, right? So I guess आपको ये चीज समझ आई होगी that how we are getting 3 by 4 here. If not, then let's just make it a little bit more easier. अब मैं क्या करने वाला हूं, I am going to write all these points in the form of denominator where the denominator is 4, right? मैं इनको rational form में लिखूंगा. So this is 0, right? So it can be written as 0 by 4. It can be written as 0 by 4 and here we have 1. This point is your 1. अब 1 को मैं किस तरीके से लिख सकता हूं? 1 can be written as 4 by 4, right? Because when you cancel out 4 and 4 by the same factor, you will eventually get 1. Right? आपके पास 1 ही आएगा. So this is 0 by 4, this is 4 by 4. Now you can easily tell me that this part will represent 1 by 4. The second part will represent 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2 only. Right? अगर मैं 2 by 4 को cancel out करता हूं तो ये मुझे 1 by 4 ही देगा. Right? And similarly, the third part which is there, which will represent 3 by 4. Right? So that is how we can actually represent 3 by 4 on the number line. Right? सबको क्लियर हुआ? एक एग्जांपल और लेते हैं, राइट? एक क्वेश्चन और लेते हैं. दिस टाइम द नंबर इज 17 by 6 which has to be represented on the number line. Again, it's a rational number. The denominator is not equal to 0 and both numerator and denominator are integers. But again my point comes कि ये number line तो हमारे पास है, but ये point आएगा कहाँ पे? Right? So for that, what we are going to do, मैं इस particular number को mixed form में change कर रहा हूँ. So if I want to change this into mixed form, which is 17 by 6, I'm sure everybody agrees that it can be written as 2 whole 5 by 6. This number can be written as 2 whole 5 by 6. अब ये clearly visible है that this number will lie between which two integers? It will lie between 2 and 3. राइट ये जो नंबर है ये 2 and 3 के बीच में मुझे मिलेगा. एंड मुझे कितने पार्ट्स करने हैं आप बता सकते हो? जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द डिनोमिनेटर, कैन यू टेल मी हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स डू वी नीड? दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, 6 पार्ट्स. सो बिटवीन 2 and 3 मैं 5 सच लाइंस ड्रॉ करूंगा एंड व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग आर 6 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, राइट? व्हिच मींस द फर्स्ट पार्ट विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग व्हाट? 1 by 6. Second part will represent 2 by 6. Third part will represent 3 by 6, fourth part 4 by 6, and fifth part, which is this one, will represent 5 by 6. So this part will be 2 whole 5 by 6, which can also be written as 17 by 6. Right? So just by looking at the whole number, मुझे idea लग गया था that ये 2 के बाद आएगा. And how many partitions? 6 partitions. 6 में से कौन सा partition पे हम work कर रहे हैं? That is the fifth one. राइट, सो 2 whole 5 by 6 which is nothing but 17 by 6. अब इसको मान लो अगर आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ, हर नंबर को हमें उसी फॉर्म में लिखना है, तो हाउ विल वी राइट दोस? राइट, सो 2 इट हैज टू बी रिटन इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म, जहां पे डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो? 6 हो. तो मैं 2 को न्यूमरेटर में भी 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. दिस नंबर बिकम्स व्हाट? 12 by 6. सो 2 इज एक्चुअली रिटन एज 12 by 6. सो इफ 2 इज रिटन एज 12 by 6, तो 3 क्या होगा? 3 क्या होगा? राइट, इसको भी न्यूमरेटर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो दिस विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6. इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो इट इज 6, सो दिस इज 18 by 6. सो 3 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 18 by 6. अब तो बहुत ईजी है, अब तो हम सारे नंबर्स को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. 12 by 6 के बाद क्या आएगा? 13 by 6, 14 by 6, 15 by 6, 16 by 6, 17 by 6, and finally we have 3, which is nothing but 18 by 6. Right, so this is what? This will be your 13 by 6. The next one will be your 14 by 6. Then we have 15 by 6. Then we have 16 by 6. Then you have 17 by 6 and then 18 by 6. So there you go. That is how we will represent 17 by 6 on the number line. I hope that is clear to you, right? So thank you everyone and keep learning.